I am an angel sent down from the heaven.
Okay, cut a crap.
Okay, so come in now. Let's do it.
Needs a bit of love.
A lot of love. They call me Captain Antifoul. So there's at least 6 coats on this bottom side, and there's about 9 coats of paint around the waterline.
It's a lot of work, but it's fun.
Look at the heavens coming down from above us.
The heavens?
Oh.
The heavens, not one. Multiple.
I am an angel sent down from the heaven.
Okay, cut a crap.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to another episode of Sailing Merewether.
Today is one exciting day, isn't it?
This week is one exciting week.
This week, yeah.
We are getting hauled out.
In 10 minutes.
This is why we're rushing this video. No, we haven't done the anti-foul in 2.5 years. So we are getting hauled out, and we're going to attempt to replace some stopcocks and take off a few coats of anti-foul and apply a few new ones. So we're going to run through the process of that.
I've never done this before. You have done this once.
I've done it once, but
Yeah.
I did a terrible job.
Yeah. I'm very excited. I love to paint and I love to get my hands dirty, so I think it's going to be a fun experience.
Yeah.
It's going to be quite tough. It's very, very hot in there, a lot of mosquitoes and no breeze, so we're going to sweat a lot and some swear words, but
A lot of swear words.
we're going to
safe
come out of
say.
this hopefully with a nice clean bottom, a black bottom. We have a blue bottom now, and we're going to shave some knots. Gonna gain some knots.
You're gonna gain some knots.
We're gonna gain
shave.
some knots. So yeah, stay tuned and wish us luck.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, so I just made some food, so we'll have the energy and the strength to do this. We have about 1 minute. But yeah, anyway, I think they run on Caribbean time, so it'll be fine. I just made some toast and a little chickpea thingy bob, as Kieran would put it.
Good morning, it's just Merewether again. I was wondering if you guys are ready for us or not. Okay, so come in now. Okay, beautiful. We'll be in a sec. Alright. Let's do it. Ooh, baby.
What do you reckon? Needs a bit of love.
A lot of love. Good, really
That's
good.
our home.
That's our home on the
It's on
water, on
land.
land. It looks, I don't know, when she's in the water, sometimes you think that maybe there's some damage, maybe there's something you can't see because you don't get down there enough. When you have full access to her bottom, I don't know, I'm liking what I'm seeing, that's all.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, so some of the many jobs we have to do while the boat is out is, number one, we have to redo the seacocks. So there's a few seacocks that are looking really, really ordinary. We have to replace them. Number two is anti-fouling. Basically, there's a few steps involved with anti-fouling. The first step is sanding back the old layers of paint. So there's, at current, there's two layers. There's this light blue one I put on 2 years ago, and then there's a darker blue one that the charter company put on, who I bought the boat off. Hopefully she'll be looking like a beautiful baby.
Woo. Let's do it. So far it's gone quite smooth. The guy took about 30 minutes to take away all the particles underneath the boat. And now we have our spot. I'm quite happy. It's not that far from the beach and the ocean. It is about 36, 37 degrees and there's hardly no wind whatsoever. And we do have just a shower and toilet just next door, so it would make this 5 days a lot more doable, I think. So meanwhile, when Kieran's sanding, I'm going to take away some of the particles that's been collecting here above the waterline. So I'm gonna make her nice and smooth. You look like a tired superhero.
I'm a tired superhero. Didn't I tell you?
It looks like you're wearing a mask.
They call me Captain Anti-Foul. Oh man. If we got the marina to do it, they would have done it, you know, 3 or 4 weeks away. And we weren't very organised and we just wanted it done the next week. So they said, if you want to do it yourselves, we'll pull you out. We've got a spot for you. So it's worked out really well.
Oh, what a day. It is about 6 o'clock right now. We've been at it since 12, I'm pretty sure. We got pulled out of the water at 10 this morning. We've just been flat out. You can tell who's been killing it today. Kieran's just been amazing. He looks like a superhero, or he looked like a superhero at lunchtime. And he's just been at it for hours and hours and hours, and he's just, well, he's a hero. Yeah, I'm cooking some food for him now, so I have a full belly before we go to sleep. I'm just covered by a dust of our old antifoul, so I'm gonna take a much needed shower right now, do the last things for dinner, and I think we're gonna call it. It's been a tough first day. We knew it was going to be a lot of work. But yeah, now the mosquitoes are coming out too. I don't want to complain, but I'm not liking these small creatures right now. Kieran! How you going?
I'd prefer to get down to the gel coat.
Yeah.
There's just so many layers upon layers of paint that are coming off. So from what I can understand, there's at least 3 anti-fouls on here. So there's at least 6 coats on this bottom side, and there's about 9 coats of paint around the waterline.
Wow.
And trying to get down to the gel coat, which is what I want to get down to, is a mission, an absolute mission.
Good morning, guys. It is about 6:30 right now, and we have been up since about 5:30, I'm pretty sure. You can hear that someone's already at it. Kieran got up and then said, is it okay if I start? Is it okay if you bring me breakfast? I just want to start. Today we're still sanding. There is not a lot that I can do today. Kieran is going over everything again. We were thinking of going all the way down to the gel coat, but we're not wet sanding, we are dry sanding. Now, having the result, I think it would be better if we did wet sand, but we didn't do it. It's quite hard to get all the way down, so we're taking off a couple of layers at least. Yeah, so there's not a lot for me to do today. I'm gonna sand by hand on small spots where we need to, on the top of the rudder and in the bow thruster as well. So yeah, we're just really gonna keep at it, and now the sun's going up and I can already feel it's a lot warmer. It's a lot of work, but it's fun. Today's breakfast. Let's see if he can pull himself away for a little bit.
Oh yeah, we got some friends too. Hello.
Hungry?
Yes. How am I looking this morning? Just as bad?
Not yet. So how are you feeling today, Captain?
Yeah, no, I'm feeling good. I'm ready for another crack, another big day. I'd like to get some of these coats off, so we can look at getting ready for painting either this afternoon, probably tomorrow, more realistically. I'm enjoying myself quite a bit.
That's the spirit. Now it's my turn. I got some sandpaper here. And I'm gonna have a crack at the rudder first, I think. It's not that much sun here. So, yeah, I'll show you guys. Wow, don't I look great? It is time to eat. It is time for our, second break of the day. As you can tell, I've done the sanding by hand, and Kieran is still at it with the grinder. It's going quite well. Now it's around 12 and we need a break. We need to fill our stomachs and we need to get in the shade. I just made some Thai-inspired veggie and rice. So there you have it. We're gonna take a well-deserved break. See you in a bit. Can I see a magic trick? Ooh.
We've made a decision in the last hour to actually prime the boat. A primer basically is a sealant, and it's also a surface for the new anti-foul to stick onto. So we've made that decision in the last couple of hours. We were just going to anti-foul on the old anti-foul paint, but we've decided against that. There's just a lot of flakiness going on, a lot of different levels of anti-foul over the history, so we're just going to prime to be safe.
You also changed your hair color.
Did I?
You did. Turn for us.
Is it blue?
It's blue!
How did I know that?
What you doing?
I am finally getting the bow thruster blades out, and we're going to clean them up. They have a lot of growth on them, and I was a bit puzzled for a while on how to actually get these out. I've stuck Allen keys in every place I can find. I've stuck screwdrivers in every place I can find. I finally did figure it out. So it was just about getting in here and actually having a look around for something I could unscrew.
Okay.
We have it's called a max power bow thruster. Here it is here.
Let's bring it up, baby.
So that is our blade to our bow thruster. I mean, we haven't used a bow thruster in at least 12 months.
Yeah.
I don't really need to ever. But we're going to try and get it going again because we're doing the Panama Canal, and I think it's important to be able to use your bow thruster in small areas and small locks like the Panama Canal. So that's it there, and there's another one on the other side which I've already pulled out.
Happy days. Do you want me to clean them?
I would love you to clean them.